Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss functions and variables. So in this we are going to take contents will be definitions of variable and constant, definition of function, value of function, domain and range of a function. So take a first one will be definition of variables and constant. In this we have taken one example as 4x square plus 5 equal to 0. So x will be the unknown value we have, right? In that x square including x square one we have a numerical value. That numerical value we can say it as a coefficient, and x value unknown value we can say it a variable value, because in this we are going to substitute x value as 1 2 3 minus infinity to infinity we can substitute, so that we can say this one will be a variable value and 5 will be the constant value. This will not change over a time. So what is constant now? A constant can be defined as a fixed value which is used in algebraic expression to know the variable's value. Okay, and it does not change a value over a time and has a fixed value. Just take a one example will be size of shoes and a cloth. With respect to time, it will not change its size, right? So this one will be a constant size will get. This one will be a one example of constant. And one take a polynomial equation or algebraic equation, that is x plus y equal to 8 we have. In this 8 value will be a constant value or a specific value, but we don't know the value of x and y. So from this equation we can say it 8 will be the constant. Second, we have a variable. What is the meaning of variable? Variable are a term which can change a value over a time. So it will not remain constant at a with respect to the time. Example will be height and weight of a person. So with respect to time, the height will change and also the weight of person will change. Okay. So take a one algebraic equation same similar as the previous one, that is x plus y equal to 8. So last time you have taken 8 as a constant, right? But x and y we don't know the values. We can take x and y value from minus infinity to infinity also, but we don't know the specific value. So we can see it from this equation x and y will be the variable value. So what is the difference between constant and variables, right? So take a first one what we have. It does not change its value over a time as a constant. But what about variable? It will change a value with respect to the time, and we can say it its value dependent on the equation. Second one what we have, usually it will return in a numbers. Okay, that will be a numerical number, we can use it. What about variable? To write a variable, we are using letters or a symbols. Letters means alphabets, we can use it. Symbols means beta, gamma, alpha, whatever we can use it. Third one, third difference what we have, it represents the known values in an equation or a expression or in line of programming. So constant value will get a specific value as 8, 10, 12 as a numerical number, but we don't know the value of variables, so that we can say it variable will be a unknown value. Last four difference what we have, constant has a fixed phase values, but a variable has do not fixed phase values. Take a one example here. So here we have to calculate what is the value of x in the given equation, that is x plus 10 equal to 5. So just simplify this one as a x, you will get 10. 10 you just take it at the right side, we'll write 5 minus 10. So 5 minus 10 is nothing but minus 5. You will get the answer of x will be minus 5. So from this solution we can say it x will be a variable and minus 5 will be the constant value. Take another example, that is find constant and variables in the given expression. We have a two equation here, that is 3x equal to 9 and x minus y equal to minus 10. We'll take a first solution, that is in 3x equal to 9, x is the variable and 9 is the constant. If We further simplify the equation, that is 3x equal to 9. Here 3 will take as a division of 9, that is 9 by 3 will get 3. So from this a solution we can say it x is a variable and 3 will be the constant. Take a second a solution, that is x minus y equal to minus 10. From this x and y will be the variables and minus 10 will be the constant value. Take one more example. In that also we should have to calculate a x value and then we have to write the constant and variable value. Okay. So take it a first one, that is 2x plus 3 equal to 10. This plus 3 we should have to take at the right side, that is 10 minus 3, that will get a 7. Then x equal to 7 by 2 will get. So we can say it x is a variable and 7 by 2 is a constant. Take a second equation, that is 10x equal to 100 we have. Okay, 10 goes to a division of 100, that is x equal to 100 by 10. We'll get an answer as 10. So we can say from this one x is a variable and 10 will be the constant value. Take a fourth example. Find out the variables and constant for the following expression. What we have expression? 3x plus 2 equal to 10, and second equation we have x plus y equal to y plus 9. So first we'll take a solution of first equation, that is 3x plus 2 equal to 10. So plus 2 will take at the right side, that is a minus 2 will get, that is 8 will get after subtraction. Then 3 will goes to the division, that is x equal to 8 by 3. So from this equation we can see it x is a variable and 8 by 3 is the constant. Take a second equation where we have x plus y equal to y plus 9. Okay, this plus y you just take it at the right side. Plus y and minus y get cancelled. You left only a 9. So from this equation we can say it x is a variable and 9 is the constant value. So next we have a concept as a function. So what is the meaning of function? A function is defined as a relation between a set of inputs having only one output each. A function is generally denoted by f of x, where x is the input. The general representation of a function is y equal to f of x, where y is the output and x indicates the input, and f will be the type of function we are using. Next we have value of function. The value of a function given the value assigned to its argument or for the solution is the quantity assumed by the function for this argument value. Here we have a one algebra equation, that is f of x equal to 2x square minus 3x plus 1. For x equal to 3 we should have to solve. So wherever we have a x, you just substitute a 3 so that you will get an answer will be 10. So x equal to 3. 3 indicates what? Real number. So we can say it, this one will be a real function if we have a 3 as a x. And sometimes we can use it as a complex number as x. Then we have algebra equations. Then in terms of trigonometry, exponential, we can use any values in terms of expression that decides the type of a function. Next we have domain of a function. Domain is nothing but set of all possible values which qualify as the input to a function is known as domain of the function, and it is independent variables. Here we have an example will be a set of country names. So just take an example, if you want to calculate any values. So whatever we are taking inputs, set of inputs, that set of input is nothing but what? Domain of a function only. Next we have range of a function, the which defined as set of all the output of a function is known as the range of the function, and it is dependent variable. Here we have an example as years, a set of years we have. So generally range of function is nothing but after calculation whatever we are getting output, that output is nothing but a range of function only. Okay, so based on a function we required an input. Input is nothing but a domain. After solution we'll get a output. That output is nothing but a range of a function. Take a one example. Here we should have to find domain and range of a function for the function as 3x square minus 5. So in this they have not given any x value, right? So x value if they have not given means we can take it any values from minus infinity to plus infinity. So we can take it input or a domain value will be minus infinity to infinity. But what about the range value? Range value means output value. So overall f of x equal to 3x square minus 5, we can take it as y equal to 3x square minus 5, right? So this after simplification you just concentrate for the x value. We have to solve this equation for x. So 3x square equal to y plus 5 you will get. So x square equal to y plus 5 by 3. You just remove the square by taking a square root at the other side. So we'll get x value as square root of y plus 5 divided by 3. Just observe the y plus 5 because y value will be the output value, right? Y plus 5 we have, right? Just equate it to 0. Y plus 5 equal to 0. Then what about y? Y equal to minus 5. So the output value it will starts from minus 5, but we don't know the positive value, right? So positive value we can take it up to infinity. Hence the range of a function will be minus 5 to infinity from this equation. Take a one more example. Here also we should have to find domain and range of a function. That is a function will be a 2x minus 1 divided by x plus 4. So here we have a x plus 4. X plus 4 means x indicates input value, y indicates output value. Okay. So x plus 4 we have. X plus 4 is nothing but what? Just equate it to 0. X plus 4 equal to 0. Then we can take it x equal to minus 4. Okay, so started from as it is minus infinity. Okay, the domain we have minus infinity to minus 4, and also we have minus infinity to plus value, we don't know anything. So up to infinity we can take it. Then what about the range value? Just observe it the function. Here we have f of x equal to 2x minus 1 by x plus 4, that we should take it as y equal to, and solve it this equation. What you will get? The final equation after simplification you will get x equal to 4y plus 1 divided by 2 minus y. Okay. So here a y value how much we have? That is 2 minus y we have. Okay. So 2 value we can take it as the range value, right? So from minus started from here also minus infinity, that is minus infinity to 2, and then again 2 to plus infinity, because positive value we don't know, right? So plus infinity we can take it. So finally what is the range of value we have? Minus infinity to 2 and then 2 to minus infinity. So today what we have studied: definition of variables and definition of a constant, definition of a function, then value of a function. So based on a type of function it decides the which function we are using, whether it will be a logarithmic function, exponential function, trigonometric function. Type of input will decide the type of the functions. Okay, then we have studied definition of domain of a function, then we have studied the definition of range of function, and then we have taken some exercise based on to calculate domain and range of a function. Thanks for the watching. Please like, share and subscribe for the more videos.